Hi, I'm Link, and welcome to Link Life Money. These are my top 5 Black Friday money-saving tips. Some products have crazy prices. Take a look at these. Fisher Price toy phone, $300? You would think that would be an actual phone. A blue Rubbermaid tote bin, $536? What does Walmart mean by save money, live better? Be sure to check the prices of what you want before the sale so you know that you're actually getting a good deal. Check multiple sites. You can use Google to search for what you want. Click on shopping. Here you can compare the same product on different sites so that you know you're getting the best deal. Shop online using secure, reputable sites. You can always sign up for emails and promotions on a company's website. It's usually located at the very bottom on a company's site. You will then likely get a discount code that you can use for your purchase. Usually, the company will send you the promotion or discount within 48 hours of you signing up. However, there's also usually an expiry date, so you want to be sure to sign up close to when you want to buy the item. Why wait in line? By shopping online, you will avoid all of the hassles of the crowds, and you can relax, have a cup of coffee in the comfort of your own home. And it's much easier to compare prices at different places online. Compared to Cyber Monday, I have generally found better deals on Black Friday. I have compared prices with other times, such as Boxing Day, and generally I've gotten the best deals on Black Friday, specifically on the Thursday and Friday of the sale. There are times where I've messaged the company and I've asked, is there any available coupons or discounts? Here's an example of my interaction with Home Depot. I would like to purchase a Keter Deck storage bin from you for $299. I want to order it online from you. I was just wondering if you could please send me a discount code before I purchase it. Thanks for trying. We do not have a coupon code on the website. I can send you a gift card of $50 that you can use in store. Hope this will do. Let me know how you feel about this solution. Shout out to Home Depot for sending me that $50 gift card. That was so nice and unexpected of them to do. I now have a very positive personal perception of their company. Check out reviews to make sure you're getting a good quality product. Also, research the product. You can go on YouTube and watch product reviews or how to use the item videos. You do this so that you have a better chance of getting the product that's right for you. Personally, I prefer to buy directly from a company or directly from Amazon or Best Buy. I think generally it's safer to buy from a big company that is reputable, for they generally will have the ability to spend more on their IT and security, and likely have authentic products. Also, check to see if there's third-party sellers involved on the site that you're using. You can see that this product says it has been renewed. It also says that it's sold by New Life Electronic Deals. It does not directly come from Samsung or directly from Amazon. This is the same product. It says refurbished. It also says that it's sold and shipped by Electronic Plus, not directly from Best Buy or from Samsung. Online, I see many security cameras and smartwatches that have amazing features at incredibly low prices. But why are these prices so low? Sometimes I'll see a smartwatch for $20. It'll have a camera and internet. It's better than my Fitbit watch. But why? Why would they sell it for so low? In my opinion, I think it's probably because they want your data. I'd rather purchase something more expensive from a reliable, reputable company such as Google or Amazon with their Nest and Ring cameras so that I know my information will likely be secure. These are two major companies based in the United States, and they have to follow strict privacy and regulation laws. I've even heard of stories of security cameras that are streamed online and that the person's privacy and information is not protected. You also want to check out the size of the product. I ordered this as a gift for one of my groomsmen. It was way smaller than I thought it looked like in the picture. Making a list can help you with your budget, and it'll help you not to impulse buy. I make my list on Google Sheets. You're welcome to use it for free. I posted the link in the description below. Let's take a look at how to use it. Just click on the cell that you want to change. If your first child's name is Ronald, you can rename the cell to Ronald. Click on Toys. Instead of Toys, you can put Hot Wheels. And then you can also change the total amount of cost for Hot Wheels being, let's say, $60. It'll then update the total to reflect your change because the formula is already in there. Again, you can change any cell. So if kid number 2 has a name of McDonald, just type in McDonald. If they like specifically Lego instead of toys, you can type in Lego. And then again, you can change the amount. Let's say you found the Lego was on sale for $50, and that will once again change the total. You can see on the right-hand side is the budget amount. There's also different headings such as parents' names, grandparents' names, and at the very bottom, there's total spent, total budget, and what's left in the budget. The main tab is labeled Purchase. You can click on Other Family, which includes aunts, uncles, cousins, bosses, teachers, coworkers. Again, there's total spent, total budget, and left in budget. All of the formulas are programmed in here for you, so it makes this really easy to use. You can then click on the tab that says Black Friday. It's a great idea to plan things out now so that you can stick to your budget. This also gives you the chance to research the prices so that you know when you actually buy something on Black Friday how much you're really going to save. You can also include the websites for where this item is located. Last tab says Cards, and here you can keep track of the cards you've sent and the cards that you've received. Making your own cards is a lot of fun and is a great family activity in which you can save a lot of money. It's important to be honest about your financial situation and think about how much you should budget. If you have consumer debt, then I would recommend to focus on your needs instead of your wants. Paying 20% or more on credit card debt is extreme. If you have consumer debt, then paying off debt should be the primary focus. You can always increase your shopping budget as your financial situation improves. You can always still use the budget template to create a wish list for the future. Having a realistic budget is important for spending on holiday sales, but it shouldn't be the thing that holds you back from your financial goals. I know it's hard, for you see everyone spending, but keep in mind that most people have consumer debt and everyone's financial situation is different. You want to make the choices that are best for you and your family, for having financial security is priceless. Star Command, come in, Star Command. So that's why the Toy Story characters are here. My favorite Black Friday product this year is the Oro heated vest. It has 3 heat settings and it heats on the front as well as the back, and the best part is the heated collar. My only concern is that sometimes I get a sick feeling, and that means that my temperature is too warm, so I know to turn off the vest right away. It comes with a big battery, but that's because it takes so much power to heat the vest. It's placed here so you don't feel that it's so heavy. It takes a very long time to charge, and you have to charge it quite often. But to me, it's worth the comfort, especially when it's cold. My inflation and interest rate video is up on the screen right now, I'm now at 95 subscribers. I'm so close to being at 100 subscribers. If you can please subscribe to my channel, I truly appreciate it. Thank you to everyone for your support. Save money, make good choices, and please be kind.